Hello, this is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Thursday, January 12th. So just a couple talking points to go over today. We have pretty quiet weather moving into the region. We expect dry weather to continue into Friday night with some light snow possible for the weekend. So looking at our satellite image across the region, you see mainly just high clouds drifting through the region. There is a little bit of low cloud and some low stratus out across portions of the Arco Desert, extending into the upper Snake Highlands this morning. And at times that fog can be a little bit on the dense side, especially out towards the Camas Mud Lake area and also out towards INL. Looking at our weather risk outlook, we're not really expecting a lot of impacts, although there will be some light snow moving in over the weekend. Right now, those amounts don't look too terribly impressive. Looking at our high temperature forecast for today, generally looking at highs in the 30s across most of the area with some low 40s down in the Magic Valley. This is looking at our wind speeds for today. As a whole, not too terribly breezy across most of the region. And then our snowfall amounts today, we're not really expecting a whole lot. There might be maybe a little bit of light snow trying to move into the Stanley region this afternoon and this evening. It's not going to amount to a whole heck of a lot. Definitely less than an inch if they even see that. This is looking at a low temperature forecast for Friday morning. You can see most areas are below freezing here. And this is our wind speeds forecast for tonight, and generally winds are expected to remain fairly light across the region, and then once again expecting dry weather for tonight. High temperatures for Friday, once again in the upper 30s across most of the area to low 40s. Winds still remaining relatively light across most of the region as well on Friday, and still during the day on Friday, no snowfall is expected. As we go into Saturday morning, temperatures are expected to generally be in the 20s to low 30s, and our winds still remaining mainly light across most of the region. And there you see some light snow is expected to come into the region starting Friday night into early Saturday morning, but not a whole lot in terms of amounts. Not going to spend a whole lot of time on these next two graphics, but we are calling for a little bit of light snow for Saturday and Sunday. This is the Saturday forecast, and this is the Sunday. Probably the best chances for accumulation would be down here on the Idaho portion of the Wasatch. It could be a little bit heavier amounts down that way. But as a whole, doesn't look like it's going to be a huge system over the weekend. But things can change, and we'll keep an eye on that. So just to recap, mainly dry weather is expected through Friday night. Some light snow is expected over the weekend. If you have any questions or comments, the information is at the bottom of the screen. Please let us know. Thank you.